Hey guys, we have 7 plus 4 times 2 cubed minus 5. 7 plus 4 equals 11 times 2 cubed, right, minus 5. Now 11 times 2 cubed equals 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8, right? 8 minus 5. Now 11 times 8 equals 88 minus 5, and 88 minus 5 equals 83. This gives us 83, but this is wrong. Exponents come before. Why it is wrong? Exponent come before multiplication. We must do 2 cubed first, right? Now let's solve it correctly. Solve again. 7 plus 4 times 2 cubed. 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8 minus 5. Now multiply first, right? So 7 plus 4 times 8 equals 32 minus 5. Now addition and subtraction from left to right. So 7 plus 32 equals 39 minus 5. Now 39 minus 5 equals 34.